Hello, guys. Welcome to Overflowing Wealth. Now, this is a platform where we, tell you and show you how to make money online, and especially coming easy and easy way to achieve that. Now, today I'm going to put you through on how to make money just loading your pictures online. Some of us we enjoy snapping pictures, snapping, beautiful sites. Then why not convert this to money? And of course, this is possible and it's so easy. You can do that using your phone. When you don't have to be a professional. So far, you have a camera that can snap clean and clear pictures. Of course, there are many sites. I'm going to share them with you now. I'm going to place them on the description below. You can get them. Just try it, send them there, and you get paid. Some of them pay as much as $10 per pictures, and they are good ones to try it out, and you see how you can make money out of this. So you can check this. We have those sites now. We have a iStockPhotos.com. There's a photoshatter.com. There's foam.com. There's alami.com, and many of them. I'm going to place them on the description below. Check them, try them out. Some of us just wake up, just like snapping pictures, showing people, and making fun. Of course, it's good to enjoy that, but you can make money, placing them on this website that are ready to pay. Why not give them a try? And you do well by subscribing to this channel, and then like them and make your comment. If you have any question, if you have any thing to ask, drop them on the comments down below, and I promise you I'm going to attend to each one of them. And because we are here to grow together and to make money together, just ensure, make sure, as we talk now, please kindly help this channel grow. Click the like button down below and subscribe to the channel so that we can all grow together. Then you can get those videos as they come. You just drop in your hand easily, and all of us can go together. Stay safe.